I took advantage of a couple of days that we had back at the beginning of February, and I did a lot of stuff here in front of the garage. I mentioned before that I want to redo this area, that it has been in my mind probably for the last couple of years of doing something, because the existing structures and plants here were just kind of boring, if I'm being honest. So what a perfect time this year with me deciding to sell bouquets at a roadside stand and having to have the space for raised beds. And it is honestly the perfect spot for me to add the raised beds that I want to grow the cut flowers, because this spot gets plenty of sunshine. I already removed most of the perennials that are here. I removed the hydrangeas. My next job will be to get rid of that honeysuckle. If you have been here for a few years, you know that I love that honeysuckle, but in the last couple of years, it really struggled with aphids, and it has just been a battle trying to keep it somewhat looking okay in the spring, and it's just going to have to go. I am not really sure about the structure, the trellis, the diamond trellis that is there. I'm still deciding if I want to keep it. I'm still deciding if I want to add something new, or maybe just get a couple of more of those diamond trellises and add to it. I still don't know, but honestly, the pieces on the wall, those two tall boxwoods and the diamond trellis, are the two things that are going to be at the bottom of the list. I don't need to move them right away, and they can definitely wait until I decide what I want to do with that wall. But if you have any ideas, if you're looking at this wall and think, I know what she should have there, she gets full sun, she can grow this and that, just leave me a comment in this video. I will truly appreciate it. Right now, I just want to remove the existing boxwood hedge that is there. I already have plans for those boxwoods. I know some of you were wondering what I was going to do with them. Right now, it's just a matter of having some decent weather that I can use to work outside and not freeze to death. And it's just a matter of getting things done. The biggest things right now would just be to move those boxwood hedge and the fountain. That fountain, it is super, super heavy. That's definitely something that I cannot do by myself. So that's definitely something that I'm going to have to ask for help to my husband. But before I do that, I want to have the new location ready for where it's going to go. I think I nailed it down. I still have to ask my husband if I can get power to that section of where I want it next. It's just a matter of communicating and deciding what to do with it. If you are wondering about all the cardboard that I have going on here, I just want to use it to kill the grass. I didn't add any mulch. I didn't add any compost, which is normally what you would do if you were adding a no-dig flower bed. But right now, my biggest thing is that I just want to kill the grass that is already there, so that I don't have to deal with it when I'm ready to add the raised beds that I have planned for this space. I added a small line of those solar lights from Hoselink USA, because at night they just light up the space nicely. And if this is just very temporary, I am definitely going to use those solar lights for when I have the raised beds here. And the raised beds that I am going to be building here, they're not going to be tall. The main reason why I'm adding these raised beds here are for growing cut flowers, for cutting. And I don't need them to be tall. I definitely don't want to spend too much money on soil, on building materials for the raised beds. So that's the plan right now. I don't think that I am going to be missing all of the things that I have going on in this flower bed. I am really, really excited about all the new things that are coming. As I mentioned, I have been a little bit bored with the performance, the location, the things that were growing here, or the things that were struggling here. So having something new, having something that I can work with and be excited about is definitely something positive in my opinion. I know that many of you love this area. I know that in past videos you guys mentioned how much peace and joy this little corner brought you every time that I show it on tours. And yes, it's going to be different, but it's going to be something good and something positive. Hopefully in future videos I can show you the progress. I am really excited. I cannot wait until we get into the 40s, even 50s, to start working fully on this area. Right now we're at about 30 degrees outside. I just wanted to quickly show you how this is going, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the content lately. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I hope that today is the day that you decide to do that. Thank you for being here, and I will see you on the next time.